Yo, what's up? It's your boy. I fumbled the ball. Fumbled the ball. What up? What up? What up? It's your boy DJ Graphology. I'm here live in the studio. Want to do another, not a gig log. So this is a product review unboxing. I am one of the many habitual offenders of this website called Temu, and I admit it. I like it, almost love it, and I'm very secure with it. So clear the debate. I'm good, and I like it, and I really think it's pretty good. So a lot of the stuff in my studio here is Temu, Amazon, AMS, American Musical Supply, Sweetwater, you name it, Walmart. So apples, oranges, whatever you do, make sure it makes it work for you and make sure you rock out, have fun, and remember it's a vibe. So in this video, you're gonna see me unboxing this using my old mic and my new mic. And I hope you like these settings and I hope you're enjoying this and stay tuned and it's gonna be test, test. What's up? What's up? All right. So I'm gonna try something today. This is something different. I'm gonna do an unboxing. I ordered something off of Temu. Let's see if I can pull it up. See if I can find it really quick. So we will see. I kind of don't want Temu on this computer because this thing is weird sometimes. Because everybody's saying Temu's bad. Don't use it. Don't use it. But this mic's from Temu. One of my key lights are from Temu. This camera's from Temu. I think it's okay. So, it's whatever. So let me see if I can find it. Yeah, so whatever, it was canceled. But I'm gonna show you this. We're gonna see what this thing is about, and we're gonna go from there. All right, let's drop it here. So, yeah, so we're gonna play with this, see what's what, and go from there. Decent box. Packaging's okay. Here's my instructions. Okay. I'll have to switch that camera. All right. Yeah. So if I want y'all to read it, all right. So let's play with this camera really quick. Top cancel. I don't know, but anyway, we'll figure it out. Got a nice long USB cord. USB-C. Okay. So it's a USB to USB-C. It's my wife's phone. So it's a USB-C mic. Okay. Can you be mounted? That's the $1,000,000 question. We won't know. So looks good. We're gonna hook it up and then we're gonna play with this. All right. So I think I got it set up right. Hope I sound good. This thing's pretty dope. As you can see, it's sleek. My desk is a mess. Don't worry, I'm gonna get there. Yeah, this is a pretty little box, nifty box, man. This is gonna be something to hold me over until I possibly can get the Elgato Wave. But who knows? This might be okay. Or the volume is clear. So we'll see. Yeah, this thing's pretty neat, man. So I kind of like it. There you go. Yeah. Pro Desktop Live microphone. So we're gonna check it out and see what's what. And yeah. So here's a quick review of my Temu USB mic. It sounds good. It's better than the other Temu XLR mic I had floating up top. I have the M-Track Solo running all the sound here. So as you can hear, I don't own the rights to this. So, and hold on, let me see if I can still talk over it too. And like, you know, like radio DJs be like, yo, 1 2 1 2, yeah. Nah. Anyway, so I think it's pretty good. I mean, I like it. Here's a down shot of it sitting next to my mix stream. So, I mean, it's cool. Stay tuned. I got a lot of stuff coming and hope you enjoy it. And we're done. We're ready. Streams are coming. All right. So take 2. Rookie mistake. I'm using my Stream Deck right here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah. And I don't know if you can see, I don't want to go back to that screen, but there's my stream button and there's my record button. And my dumbass hit the stream button. So there's about 7 minutes of B-roll of me recording this on my Twitch. So if you caught it, oh well, but peace.
Grown ups in between, churn and bang.